Royal Rising Star pupils, I'm your host, friend, and life coach, Mrs.Divine Awakening, and I bridge the gap between intuition and intelligence. Remember to click that thumbs up button to like, share, and subscribe. For those of you who may not know me, I am Mrs. Divine, and I am an energy and leadership coach. On Mondays, I bring to you mindful meditation, where we start our day off mindfully. What's happening to me? It's like a python slowly wrapping itself around me. As it winds up my body, it stops at my neck, just to face me as it looks for signs of life. The more I dare to breathe, the harder it'll squeeze. I can hear my heartbeat, fast. It's pumping fast like it'll burst out of me. I can hear a hissing sound. It sounds as if it's under attack as it rushes in and out of my airway. This is what it feels like to have an asthma attack. But on a larger scale, this is what it's like to not be able to catch your breath. Dyspnea is the medical term for shortness of breath. Tight clothing, exercise, altitude, prolonged bed rest, a sedentary lifestyle, congestive heart failure, low heart rate, low blood pressure, pneumonia, lung disease, obesity, anxiety, and now even COVID-19 are some underlying causes that can produce the shortness of breath. If we continue to strengthen our relationship with the breath, we will increase our awareness of the breath. Star pupils, what is currently taking your breath away? Is it too much stress, poor diet, dehydration, lack of exercise, pollution, smoking? Shortness of breath is a symptom, meaning it is caused by something. Pay attention to your breath. What action can you take now to enhance your breathing? When was the last time you found it hard to breathe? If you are constantly finding it hard to catch your breath, you may need to seek out a trusted doctor to get the help that you need. Today, Star pupils, you will focus on your own experience with the breath as we do some deep breathing to strengthen your relationship. Dyspnea can happen suddenly and catch us off guard. May you become so familiar with the breath and welcome it in its entirety so that you are always aware of what your breath is communicating to you. During today's mindful meditation session, we will have 3 5-minute rounds, with the last one being strong determination. During strong determination, you will remain still and focused at all costs. Strong determination strengthens your willpower, and willpower is a tool of importance in life. You can do it, Star pupils. During strong determination, you will remain still at all costs, not moving for even an itch or any discomfort. Now it's time for you to get into your most comfortable meditation position and close your eyes from the external to focus within. We begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Focus on the breath as you allow the breath to insert your body and fill up your belly. Focus on the breath as you squeeze all the air back out. Focus on the breath. When the breath is steady, so is the mind. Focus on the breath. Inhale the breath, expanding your belly. Exhale the breath, squeezing your belly back together. Inhale the breath. Exhale the breath. Focus on the breath. Inhale the breath. Exhale the breath. Focus on the breath. Expand the belly as you inhale. Squeeze the belly back together as you exhale. Inhale the breath. Exhale. Focus on the breath. If you lost focus, smile at yourself as you focus on the breath. The breath wants to be felt, acknowledged, and experienced. Focus on the breath. Inhale through your nose. Allow the air to fill up your belly. Exhale through your nose as you squeeze the air from within. Inhale the breath. Exhale. Focus on the breath. Inhale life. Exhale stress. Focus on the breath. Smile at yourself as you regain your focus and return to the breath. Focus on the breath. Inhale life all the way down to your belly. Exhale the stress all the way out. Inhale the breath. Exhale. Focus on the breath. Smile at yourself as you return to your focus on the breath. Inhale life. Exhale stress as you focus on the breath. Smile at yourself as you return your focus to the breath. Focus on the breath. Focus on the breath as we transition into our last round of strong determination. Inhale the breath. Exhale the toxins. Focus on the breath. Inhale love. Exhale hate. Focus on the breath. Inhale strength. Exhale fear. Focus on the breath. Regain focus and smile at yourself as you focus on the breath. Focus on the breath. Inhale power. Exhale doubt. Focus on the breath. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Gently stretch yourself out and thank the breath as you slowly open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.